did that we have discussed, you did or not. Then the project is smoothly running within all of you, means within the groups or not, will all track. Okay. So in the meantime, can I know everyone can unmute, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
absolutely.
Yes, sir.
You're not audible to me. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
hear you, sir.
Sir, you are audible, sir.
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you now. Thank you. So what I told you all got it right. No other confusions are there. So it's not like that. I'll do the regular classes. Like I'll teach you everything. Like what is this in Python, what is tuple, what is dictionary, and all. It's not possible for me. Okay. And we may discuss some important topics related to Python, like data structures in Python, like what is list, what is tuple, what is dictionaries, what is sets, what is OOPS concept in case of Python, then models and packages in Python that you are using, what is exception handling, what is numpy, what are the various libraries like numpy, pandas, matplotlib, scikit-learn, and all. Okay. Yes. Let me clarify you one thing. This you all are getting it right.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So these things will not you all know about Python, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then tell me what is Python first.
So high level language, user friendly.
Anyone else? Anyone else?
High level interpreted language, sir.
Okay. What are the means what is control flows in Python? Means what are the conditional, what are the loops, what is break and continue, then what are the various functions available in Python, then what are the various libraries, then what is what inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation in terms of OOPS concept. Right? Then what are the advanced means Python libraries for advanced things like data analysis, visualization, development? What are the Python libraries we're using for development? Anyone?
So Django.
Django and Flask. Good. Then what are the Python libraries we are using for machine learning?
Scikit-learn,
Py-
TensorFlow.
Fine.
PyTorch.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Then what are the libraries we are using for uh, what data analysis and visualization?
Panda.
Pandas, Matplotlib.
Panda Netflix.
Pandas,
Plotly.
NumPy, Seaborn, Matplotlib. Yeah.
matplotlib.
Then anyone use ever? Have you ever used web scraping?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
using
Yes, sir.
Beautiful Soup. It's
Web
Selenium, sir. I use Selenium.
Okay. You're using Selenium. You're in testing field. So what are the Python? Why you are using Python for testing and debugging? Anyone knows? What is unit testing? Use unit test or PyTest. Then what is debugging tools like use PDB or ID integrated debug? Anyone? Okay, tell me the main thing, the important thing. What is Python for data science? What are the means what are the notebooks you are using when you come to data science using Python? Mhm.
NumPy and Pandas, sir.
अरे what are the means क्या बोलते हो?
Sir,
What are the
Jupyter.
Jupyter notebook and your collab like
Google Colab.
Google Colab. Anyone interested in Machine learning Python, machine learning using Python, data science using Python. Anyone interested in?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
is
sir.
yes? What yes? Yes, got it. What is data science? Can anyone tell me? Because we are using Python in data science and machine learning also. Can you tell me what is data science? What is machine learning? Tell me. Don't fear, please. Anyone can unmute. Okay. No, don't search in Google. Okay. Instead, what is
Sir, data science is a forecasting method, sir.
oh,
Sir,
please guys,
data
don't
science
make
is a
any noise over
forecasting method. We predict
there. Mm-hmm.
forecasting futures, future predictions, and data analysis is a
Data analysis. I'm not talk data analysis. I've not told you. What is what you are saying? Data science.
So data science,
Mm-hmm.
analyzing patterns and uh, gaining useful insights from data.
Okay.
And machine learning is uh, without any explicit programming, you're telling a computer to perform a task.
So machine learning will help to predict the future values with the past data.
Please go again. Please go again.
Data science, I think, is basically a way of extracting useful information from various sources that can be used to carry out various analysis for a business.
Okay. Okay. Listen to me. What is data science? It is data science is involves collection of data, analyzing the data, and in turns building models from the data and make predictions over time to time. Means it is the data science is the study of generalizable extraction of knowledge from the data. Okay. What is machine learning? Who coined the term first understand who coined the term machine learning? It's Arthur Summers, right? In 1959. And machine learning simply it is the ability of a machine to learn from the data and replicate human behavior, and it allows programs to learn automatically and make computers more intelligent without being explicitly programmed. Okay. uh, these are the terms. You can note it down. Okay. Because if you want to, I can repeat that. First, what is data science? It is the study of no- uh, generalizable extraction of knowledge from the data. Means it involves collection of data, analyzing it, and in turn building models from the data and make predictions over time to time. Then what is machine learning? It is the ability of a machine to learn from the data and replicate human behavior. It allows programs to learn automatically and make computers more intelligent without being explicitly programmed. Am I audible? Then we'll discuss when we'll go to machine learning field. What are the types of machine learning? What are the pipeline? What are the various algorithms we are using? You will not study all of those things. I will not discuss with you all, but overall, I'll discuss. Okay, because your projects will be analytics based and ML based, or and your projects will be development based project. So can you tell me what is the name of your first project? Yes, please.
Currency converter.
Okay, currency converter. Means it's a development based project. Where is currency converter? I think only one currency or means different currency converter.
Multiple currency
Multiple currency converter.
Okay, multiple currency converter. Okay. I think it's multiple currency conversion with graphical user interface. Okay, we'll do that. And your second project will be password generation and text editor. Then the third project will be the base project that comes voice assistant based attendance monitoring system, and it should be a AI based project. Okay. So anyone is there from analytics or machine learning data science field? Can you tell me? Yes, no one is there. Hello. Am I audible, guys? Please be active. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Anyone?
sir, you're audible.
Yes. Anyone is there who is acquainted with machine learning data science?
Sir, I'm from machine learning, so CSAMS.
Okay. Anyone from means all are university students, college students, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone in fourth year?
I'm in Pune.
Sir, I'm from fourth year.
Anyone is preparing for placements right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai, Thane.
Okay, Mumbai, Thane. It's Chris William.
Yes, sir.
Then no one is there from fourth year.
No, sir. I'm just fourth year.
So let me see. Those who have raised their hand.
Sir, I am from MCA second year.
Okay. MCA second year. Means final year students, right? Badrinath Sham, Mangalam Namitha, Tinuru Shravani, Pallavi, you Vinod. All. Okay. So I'm sharing a PDF. Okay. Okay. Sorry, guys. Sorry. So I'm sharing my screen. It's visible now. It's visible.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No.
Oh, yes, sir. No.
Not visible.
Oh, thank you. So as this is a first class, we will discuss. Okay. Means overall we will discuss what is Python. This is a high-level interpreted and versatile programming language known for simplicity, readability, all you know. You need to repeat that. Why you are using this Python for development, analysis, machine learning, and AI stuff. Python's community support and extensive library makes it popular. As you all know, there are some inbuilt libraries available, inbuilt models, functions, everything is available. Means it is already there, you have to just use it. What is the difference? If you can observe, can anyone tell me what is the difference between a uh, programming language like C, C++, and Python? What is the main difference?
Interpreter and compiler.
Mm-hmm. What's the difference?
So an
Python is
interpreter executes one
Right,
line at a time, while a
okay.
compiler compiles the whole code and processes all at once.
Yeah. Oh,
Also,
Python
sir,
is
the
what?
processing speed.
It's interpreted or compiled?
Interpretation.
Python supports both actually.
Both. Yeah. How?
In the ideally shell, we can do the interpreting task while saving the file in .py format. We can do the compilation as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Even two times. Sorry. History of Python. It was created by Redo and Rosen, 1991. The language is designed with an emphasis of code readability and simplicity. Now we're using Python 3 version, as you all know. Why to choose Python? Python we are using for deep learning, machine learning, predictive analytics, advanced analytics, statistics, data science, exploration, and data analysis. In case of EDA, that is exploratory data, exploratory data analysis. Okay. Then academic scientific research. So, can anyone tell me what is predictive analytics? Now, it comes to okay. First, tell me what is deep learning. Yes, quick, quick, quick. Don't waste the time, please. Hello.
So deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that deals with the neural networks and processing,
Mm-hmm.
which actually replicates the human brain.
Mm-hmm. What is what predictive analysis? Mm-hmm.
So basically,
So
predictive analysis is a type of analysis where we recognize a pattern and different models, like the recommendation and all these things, based
Mm-hmm.
on some pattern and the symbols,
Mm-hmm.
and predicting something that something new.
Okay, means it is based on machine learning algorithms only. Okay, it's the advanced version. You can say it's the advanced version of machine learning for predictive analysis. Okay, anyone have the domain for data science, machine learning, or artificial intelligence in the university level?
Yes, actually, I am working as a
Sir,
student.
So they maybe tell you about there may be a course related to machine learning
Yeah,
for predictive analysis or predictive analysis or data science for predictive analysis, something like that, right?
yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So first tell me when predictive analysis comes into picture, what is data? Roughly tell me. Means don't use that particular term from Google or means जो कुछ भी तुम रट्टा मार के मतलब रखे हो.
Basically, data
Simple
means
term, it is the collection of raw things and make them too useful. That is called means it is the collection of raw facts from several resources to make it useful. That is all about data, right?
Yes, sir.
Means unfiltered data that you are collecting from several resources to make it useful. Simple.
Yes.
Yeah. So now tell me what is so let's not discuss about that. Please now tell me what are the sorry. what is data mining and what is big data in terms of data? What is data mining? What is big data?
The data mining is basically a type where we recognize the new pattern, new data
Mm-hmm.
from a new large data set from a data
Uh,
where we recognize the
please
pattern.
be clear.
Like suppose
Yeah. Tell me. Uh-huh.
let's suppose we are purchasing some book, like we like to read the fiction.
Mm-hmm.
So, but the sort of fiction book, there is a current pattern like what we like the only fiction book out of all the category of the books. There is a new pattern of data that we do in a data mining.
Okay. Anyone else?
Sir, like we are finding, we are, I mean, like, we are just separating the wanted things or removing the unwanted data from the data, which is, we can say that a data mining.
Data
Or
mining.
finding,
Okay.
like, how we are gonna, like, how the data sets are related or how we are removing unwanted data or
Yeah.
extracting the related
Big
features from
data.
the
Listen.
particular data.
Yes. Yeah. Whatever you're saying is correct. But let's.
Yeah.
Big data is the crude oil. Okay. Means it is a raw oil. Okay. Means involves collection, maintenance, and process a huge information. Means a huge data. Data mining means it is the one of the method in big data only, and it is all about data mining is the means how to discover the relationship from the small amount of data that you have. Okay, big data and data mining process do the same thing, but in big data it primarily targets on data relationships to find the data relationships. Data mining it targets analysis and extraction of information. Okay,
Yes.
it means huge data means crude oil is the big data, the filtered version is data mining. Simple.
Yes.
Yes, and those things, those big data, that's based on analysis, prediction, then some business information. For those, we are using big data, and for statistical analysis like prediction, classification, all these things we are using data mining. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So next, what are the different types of attributes in data mining? You can tell me.
So nominal, ordinal.
Okay. One is quantitative. Your nominal coded. I'm talking about qualitative and quantitative. Means quality and quantity we are comparing for in data mining. Okay. What is in qualitative? Your nominal, ordinal, binary. Binary again divided into symmetric, asymmetric. Then in quantitative, if you'll talk, what is nominal? Okay, let's discuss this briefly. Okay, you're talking about attributes. Okay, listen to me, all of you. Okay, these are the things that may be asked. I'll ask you at any point of time. Whatever I have discussed, I'll ask you. Okay, there is a valuation, right? In qualitative,
Okay, sir.
nominal, ordinal. Okay, nominal is means those are in alphabetical forms. Those are not integers. What is ordinal? Means in a meaningful order. Okay, and then your quantitative again divide into discrete and continuous attributes. Discrete means discrete data have a finite value and can be numeric or in categorical format. In the form of these are quantitative. Example of discrete like professor, teacher, businessman, employee, like this. What is continuous attributes? What is the term? What is the meaning of the particular term that is what? Continuous attribute. It is means it have it has an infinite number of steps that are float type only. Okay. Yes. Means your numbers like 520 float types. Getting it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nominal gone, then ordinal gone, then binary. When it comes to now comes to your qualitative. It's nominal gone, ordinal gone. Then the next thing is okay, binary. Binary is again divided into two types. One is symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric means same uh, state but a different origin. Then asymmetric means not in same, means not same. Symmetric means same but means like male and female, and asymmetric means pulse or fail. Okay, just compare these two. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then your predictive analysis, in those predictive analysis was classification, regression, then the what classifier, some of the classifier algorithm that are pre your life cycle of machine learning or data science, like what a collection of data, pre-processing, feature engineering, model selection, model evaluation, deployment, all these things comes into picture. So then your KNN classifier means various algorithms comes into picture that you have to uh, then some knowledge regarding all those things also. So so let's discuss. Okay, so if we'll deep dive into those things, means artificial intelligence, data mining, data field, then we'll forget about all these things. Okay. Okay, it is using for advanced analytics also, academic scientific research, exploration, data analysis, data science, and statistics. Okay. Then features of Python. It is supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Okay. Okay. Then tell me, what is object-oriented?
So object oriented is nothing but like we are
What is
taking.
okay? Okay, we'll discuss it, but not this time. I think it will take much time. And then have I prepared a PPT for that? Oops, concept. It
So
should be
it's
there.
like dealing with
Yes, yes.
classes, I think.
Just hold it. Let me go further. Then in the upcoming slide there is topic, and we will discuss OOPS concept in detail. Not not in one class. It will take means today we'll discuss this briefly, but in some upcoming session we'll discuss it thoroughly. Okay. Most
Yes.
important topic, and it is means whether you are experienced, you are fresher, whatever you might be, but exception handling, the topics like exception handling, then your oops concept, then control statement, functions, these things means must ask in Python interview. Okay. Have you ever appeared an interview ever in Python? I'm talking about. No one.
So in school, I
Oh,
had
so
subject of
अरे स्कूल
Python.
की बात मत कर भाई. मतलब
So
स्कूल.
I tried on Java. So we have mock interviews on Java, like which will be conducted in our college, not in
Okay,
Python.
in college. Okay. Okay. Then have you ever means no one have appeared for an interview?
I have.
Yes, you know, first of all, tell me, you know how to introduce yourself to the recruiter or to the interviewer?
Uh, I have
You first
not.
tell me, first just clarify one thing. You all are fresher. You all are college students. अरे be, give me clarity at least.
yes, sir.
Yes,
We are.
sir. Yes,
I
sir.
am.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
You know how to introduce yourself.
Yes, sir.
It's not like that,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
My name or myself, what, Neil Sawant or whatever, Srija Susarla. I'm from this. This is not introduction. Give your introduction for 1 to 2 minutes. It must cover 1 to 2 minutes. It's not like that 10 seconds. So my name is this, I'm from this. No. Should I explain? I'm not. Means what I'm doing actually means if you're not ready for it, I can share you, okay? What to prepare for. Okay? Okay. Other day we'll discuss. Yes, anyone knows? Means anyone introduce himself or herself to me? Just imagine I'm an interviewer, just give me your introduction.
So can I?
Yeah, definitely for sure.
Um, so my name is Shivateja and I'm currently pursuing integrated MTech fourth year in VIT AP University.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm self-disciplined commitment for what work I work, and my career goals are uh, my career goals come with get a good placement in my college. I'm
Mm-hmm.
very skilled background at Python development and Java development and also web development. I'm having basic knowledge on mobile application development as well.
Uh-huh.
Previously, I have worked on many projects related with web development, mobile application development.
Mm-hmm.
Recently, I'm working on one of the project where we'll have a EV slot booking for the mobile application.
Mm-hmm.
And my strength is coming with I'm a fast learner
Mm-hmm.
where I can learn everything.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, this is what I can say in the interview, sir. Introducing myself.
Okay. Okay. Anyone means yes, Sai Sivateja, right? Uh,
So, are there any mistakes that need to be like
yes.
while
Means
introducing myself?
okay. First, don't use the term everything. Okay, you cannot learn everything. Instead of that, you can tell, sir, I'm a self-motivated and disciplined soul, and I'm always ready to, or I'm always keen to upskill myself by learning new things whenever I get a chance. Not say, sir, I can learn everything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then, okay, let me start. How to introduce yourself. Okay. मतलब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ मुझे भी समझ आ रहा है मतलब मैं तुम्हें एचआर की तरह ट्रीट कर रहा हूँ ओके ओके लेट इट बी सो फास्ट गुड इवनिंग सर good morning good evening or sir ma'am whatever thank you for giving me this opportunity to thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself to you and this means your name then we are 5 members in my family including me there must be any family reference I'm native to this city name I'm native to Odisha Bhubaneswar Odisha currently I'm pursuing BTech or MTech at your Ludhiana University or whatever the university, and my graduation is about to complete in the next couple of months. If you have fourth year student, then currently I want to secure a job with this company. Means that particular company you are in the interview, yes, means giving interview for. Then my long-term goal is to gain a work experience of 5 to 7 years and work in a field of this in that particular company. And I wish to work in a senior position, contributing to the betterment of my workplace and society. Then I am a self-motivated, disciplined soul, and I am always ready to upscale my knowledge whenever I get a chance. I then your internships. I had the internships with Infotact Solutions, video development, whatever where I learned about those things and gained means the things you learn and gained a valuable industry knowledge. My strengths are my analytical approach, my programming skills, my human touch to every situations, my appreciable communications and presentation skills. I believe in being realistic. Okay. In my free time, then go for your hobbies. You know, or else you can stop here you can say thank you. If you have any specific question, please ask. I'll be glad to answer that. Else, if you want to tell your interesting hobbies, if your hobbies are interesting, not like reading books, writing novels, not like this. Okay, hobbies like real hobbies. What you are actually means hobbies doesn't mean that your hobbies are writing. Sir, my hobbies is reading. भाई मतलब किसी का हॉबी ये हो सकता है मुझे नहीं लगता. Okay Frankly say, anyone whose hobby is reading books? And I frankly say, means maybe I'm wrong. Yeah. Yes. Anyone? Let's be fun, भाई को क्या इतना टेंशन मत लो.
No, sir.
No one is there, right? किसी को बुक पढ़ना तो हॉबी नहीं हो सकता. ओके. ठीक है, means let's talk. So your hobby is like I love to spend some quality time with my friends. Sometimes cooking, listening to music. If you're a singer, then I'm performing on my college festival, proudly representing our music club. When I was there in my university level, I was doing that. So I'm saying to that. Okay. Then I love doing drama, traveling, then some playing some outdoor sports like football, cricket, something like that. Be interesting. Okay. मतलब ये से कुछ फेंक के बोल दो कि सर मुझे पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है, मैं बहुत सारे बुक पढ़ के रखा हूँ. Means your famous books like your corporate Chanakya, then your what Chetan Bhagat. I think it's Half Girlfriend, then the Gal on a Train, the famous books like then what's that? Like this means Rich Dad and Poor Dad. These are the some famous books. Okay, ये सब सबको ही पढ़ता है, ठीक है. ऐसा नहीं कि तुम अकेले ये सबको पढ़ के रखे हो. Getting it? Yes, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
means say, sir, in my free time, my hobbies are I enjoy spending time with my friends, sometimes cooking, listening to music, singing in various festival in our colleges, then drama, traveling, playing out also. It's not like that. Please don't be feku in that, okay? फेंको तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो, ये सब चीज में फेंकना मत. ठीक है, तुम ऐसे मतलब when you are saying sir I am self motivated, discipline soul, ये सब कुछ फेंक दो. ठीक है, I am self motivated and disciplined soul and I always ready to upskill my knowledge, then my internships, strengths, analytical approach, programming language, कुछ भी. But when you are coming to your hobbies, they may ask you to, means it's not compulsory when you are in a MNC level interview, but when you are applying for mid level or startup companies, they may ask you for, means are TCS. Have you ever applied TCS? Yes, TCS NQT. Anyone applied for and given the exam TCS NQT in 2024? Now every month TCS NQT exam is there, but in the free NQT test is on I think March or April for 2025 batch, right? Anyone? When you are going for TCS interview, they'll ask you about this. If you are saying your hobbies are singing, okay, tell me, sir, my hobbies are watching cricket, Marvel, anything they will ask. Means previously one of my students went for an interview to TCS, asking them for means Marvel movies. Okay, can you explain who is means what can means how Captain America is more important than how he became the first Avenger? This type of questions. Okay, means very silly questions when we're talking about your hobbies. So don't be fake in that. Whatever you like, please mention that. Okay, you are saying singing, then please sing a song. They may ask, it's not compulsory. Okay, I'll share by writing this. Okay, in your WhatsApp group, just prepare that academy. Okay, yeah. Now come to a topic. So features. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural object-oriented programming. So these things. Then your installation of Python. How to install Python? Okay. Just go to the website python.org. Installation packages are available in various operating systems. Just choose your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Then you can install it. Okay. No need to discuss this. Python IDEs and editors, and integrated development environment, that is IDE, can enhance Python programming with features like debugging and code completion. Okay. Then these are the various editors like PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, VM, what you are using, Spider also anyone may use, uh, uh, Jupyter, Eclipse, then IntelliJ IDE, Notepad. So who is anyone who who has ever used Atom, Spider, anyone, VM? Have you, means mostly you are using PyCharm, Studio, Notebook, Colab, and Eclipse maybe, right? And Notepad for beginners, let it be. Yes? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So then writing a first program, first how to write Python programs, you all know. No need to discuss. Then basic syntax. Python uses indentation to define code blocks, so it enhances readability. So indentation is, I can consider when you are going for means the codes like 50 to 60 lines of code, indentation is more required. Okay, most important. Else you may face error. What are the various data types? Okay. Then various data types. I think these are the basic things. Why I'm discussing in the introduction class, so that you shouldn't tell me, sir, you have not discussed all these things. I am discussing the terms, means you need to understand, means now just listen to me. I am comparing and I'm assuming that all you have means already gone for this Python full course in your college level or any online classes or anything. I'm assuming that you all understood. I'm just what introduce means introducing the terms in your mouth, in your mind, just to recall those things. Okay, I'm not your teacher. I'm not here to teach you. Okay, I'm here to discuss with you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So be clear in your mind, sir. You are just reading the terms only. Okay. Be careful for that. Okay. What are the various data types? Number, bool, set, dictionary, sequence. The numbers are int, float, complex, whatever you are mentioning. Then what are the control structure? Like if, for loop, while, or conditional execution of codes. Okay. Then if statement, what is switch statement? What is switch statement? Who can tell me? Quick.
Sir, sir.
Huh, 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 huh?
It's second talk, sir.
Yes, tell me what is switch statement.
The switch statement is it directly moves to the condition what we have mentioned, sir.
Okay. Then what is loop statements?
Sir, loop means it iterates everything, sir. Like it checks every condition one by one.
Yeah. Who is that? Please name. Please.
The Parikshit, sir.
Please again.
The Parikshit.
Parikshit. Okay. One guy name. I know now. That is Parikshit, and the other guy was Sai. Which Sai? Sai, are you there? Wow. The name is. But just introduce himself. What's your name, please? Sai or something like that. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who was that previously introduced? Means introduced himself. I recall these two names now. Okay, they are in my mind. I'm seeing the messages. Rachana Sririnje Sai Charita. So let's discuss it quickly. So then control structure gone. What are the functions in Python? Functions are defined using def keyword in Python and allow for code to reuse and organize. Okay. They can take parameters and return to the values, enhancing the modular program. Okay. Means how to create a function in Python, def add a b, then your variable name, then return your statement. Or function call add 2 3. Okay, when you call the function, when you call the when it comes to the arguments. Then what is exception handling? Important topic. Uh, it is managed using try, except, and finally blocks. Okay, this allows developer to handle error gracefully without crashing the program. Okay, why you're using? They may ask you in any interview what are the exception handling, uh, how you handle, what is exception handling. Okay, you try, except, and finally blocks. These are we are using for exception handling, and this term allows developers to handle error gracefully without crashing the program. Then understanding the exception handling is crucial for building and robust user-friendly applications. Okay, modules and packages we are using in Python. It allows code organization through modules and packages, which are collection of related functions and classes. I'll import. What is the import statement in Python? It is used to include the module in a script or in a program. Then this
Yes.
structure promotes code reuse and better organization of projects. Then yes, here you can see that what are the models and my model. Then training submission, what is metrics is. Then what these are the PI file data set, the PI training loop, logs.py files, these all things. Right. I'll share the PPT along with all of you. You can see the PPT. Then what is object oriented programming? Now we'll discuss. What is OOPS concept? Tell me. What is OOPS? Now in these terms, all should active here. Okay.
So
Tell
basically, noobs, like we have encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, class, object.
first tell me what is a class.
The class means it's a blueprint of how the function works.
Okay, what is object?
The object is instance to call that class or use the or things in that class.
Okay. Then what is first? What are the various terms we are using in OOPS concept? Quick.
Encapsulation, inheritance.
Encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism,
Abstraction.
Then
abstraction.
Data abstraction.
okay. And you understood class is means it is defined as a collection of objects. Okay. An object is an entity that has state and behavior. Okay, like your real world objects. Okay, then tell me what is inheritance? The first term. What is inheritance? Quick, don't waste the time.
We create a new class based
So
on the
importing the
existing
people
one.
group and
So
it's
inheriting the properties
Sir,
from other
basically
class.
inheriting the same properties of the parent class.
अरे simple. ये कौन था? ये कौन था? What's that? Please name. What's your name? It's
Ashu Anand, sir.
the class that are inherited from its parent class. That property is called inheritance. Okay. Yes. Means the child object acquires all properties and behavior from the parent object. Means inherited from the properties that has been inherited from the parent object goes to the child object. Okay. What is polymorphism? What is polymorphism? Means many
Doing one particular task in many forms.
The
yes.
methods have same name, but
Many
its
forms.
functionality is different.
Yeah. Means we
Overridden.
understand that one task can be performed in different ways. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is encapsulation?
So bundling of multiple types of data and functions into one object.
Okay. Means capsule the object, binding the object
Yes.
together.
Yes.
What is abstraction?
Hiding implementation.
Hiding the unnecessary or complex
Hiding the
Hiding
complex
Yeah.
information.
implementation
Hiding
details.
the required information. Okay.
So like I'm working on something, but the user doesn't know.
Yeah. Yes. Means you are hiding the information to the user. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now tell me what is the difference between object-oriented programming and procedural programming? Quick.
So object-oriented programming, we will refer anything as one particular object. For example, if you talk about class or object, we are referring to the real-world entities. That is what the
Then
object-oriented programming.
okay.
Sir,
Okay. What
Procedure-oriented,
is
objects can be
procedure?
used at any time in the code, sir.
Okay.
They can be
Sir, it
reused.
follows bottom up approach and top down approach, sir.
Object-oriented. Then what about procedural programming? Everyone is talking about object-oriented programming because means where computations or calculations is done by using the object whenever you need. What is procedural programming language? It is mainly uses
So
a
basically
specific
in like
instruction.
Sir, it's a
Yes,
structure
it's
oriented
doing
programming, sir.
yes
so it
structure-oriented
is a
programming, and
programming language which follows
it's
some
being done
procedure and
step by
I
step.
mean, like some set of the comments. Like it is gonna follow some particular
And
procedure to execute any particular task. That is what the procedure-oriented
okay,
program.
yes, absolutely. Then in that particular term, what is object-oriented programming?
So in the object-oriented programming, we are taking it as a real-world entity.
Huh.
Anything that we are
Yes.
defining. But
Uh-huh.
in the procedure, we are using some sequence or some procedure to complete that particular task. That is what
But
procedure-oriented program.
yeah, term sequence means in procedural programming language, you have the set of instruction, you have the set of rules, you just need to execute it step by step. But in procedural programming language, here you are doing computations using object in means whenever you want them. Okay, it's not like that you have the set of instruction to execute or go for. Okay. So that in object-oriented programming, development and maintenance is quite easier, while in procedural programming, it's quite difficult because the list of instruction over, then you have to go from the beginning onwards. Okay,
Yes.
okay, and the main
Yes, sir.
thing in object-oriented programming, it provides you the hide of data by using the tool, by using the technique called what?
Abstraction.
अभी तो बोल रहे थे yes abstraction. Okay. So it's more secure than procedural programming language because you cannot access the private data if it is hidden by the programmer. Okay,
Yes.
some of the OOPS concept examples like C++, Java, Python. Anyone is
Right.
acquainted with .NET, .NET, C has, Selenium, Java. जावा तो रहोगे भाई मतलब have you ever means anyone is acquainted over here with C or C++?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or C
Yes.
or
Yes,
C++?
sir.
Yes, yes.
Arre tell me C or C++. Okay,
C plus plus.
C plus
C,
plus.
sir. C plus plus, anything.
what is the difference between C and C++? You know, C is a
C is only procedural
procedural
language.
language. Yes,
Yes.
that doesn't support OOP concept. Okay, and
C
anyone
plus
is
plus was just
Fortran,
addition and
Pascal, all these
implementation.
languages anyone knows? Fortran,
No, sir.
Pascal. Okay.
No.
So these are the main differences between a procedural programming language and a object-oriented programming language. So now tell me. So now we'll go to the topic onwards. Okay. Just to review all these things. How to create class in Python? Quick, quick, quick! Don't waste the time.
With the keyword class.
Class, then yeah,
By
with the
using
There's a
class
keyword
keyword.
then
class.
how to declare? How to how okay? How to declare the object? Quick. Object name.
Different init, sir.
Using the name of class as calling the class into a name, like
Yes,
ob is
by
equal to
and
class
the
name.
particular argument also. Okay,
Yes.
then okay, just a second. What are the things left with oops concept? On. Okay, okay. When we'll discuss those things in detail in code, we'll go for the steps. Okay. So now, various constructor we'll discuss. Have you discussed what are the various constructors? I think. Yeah. How to create constructor? Yes. Have you discussed?
So underscore init underscore underscore
Array,
in
Init, sir.
Python.
what is
Init
constructor?
and
First
cells.
tell me what is constructor.
It
Initiating.
creates a
Constructor
basic
is the
memory
method
and
that which
initializes the object.
initialize the instance, member of a class. Okay.
Yes.
Constructors are two types. One is non-parameterized constructor and parameterized constructor. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. What is parameterized constructor? Okay,
Where
first
we
tell me
pass the values of the memory.
Passing values.
yes, yes, what is parameterized constructor?
Where we
Pass the
pass the
values.
values of the memory we have to store,
Okay, you have the
or
passed
the
value, but as multiple parameters.
initializing the.
Yes, but
Yes.
the parameter constructor has multiple parameters. Okay, like your means what along with the what the self dot word means multiple parameters when you are using it with self word.
Self.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Then what is non-parameterized constructor? Quick, quick.
It
We
just
don't have
creates
much
the
time.
initializes the memory with
Like
null
with none,
values.
with none, sir.
Guys, those who are not active in the class, please listen to this carefully. Okay, because I'm going to means ask all these questions only in the upcoming review session. In every week review sessions, I will ask this question. Okay. Else, if you're not aware of all these things, just keep yourself ready with a pen and paper and write those terms. You can go for Google or you can do it later on. Okay. What is non-parameter constructor? It uses when
It just
we do not want to
initializes the
manipulate
memory
the
and sets it to null.
yeah. Then here y- uh, that has only self as an argument.
Yes.
Here also in non-parameterized constructor. So then what is default constructor?
Where we set the values. If no values are passed, then the fixed value will be stored and initialized. While a user can also pass their customized values for a
Yes,
object.
means if there is no constructor to it, means there is no state of this, then directly you can declare this. Okay, means just like roll
Yes.
number, it you can give you can manipulate by your own, or it will take it as a default way. Okay, yes,
Yes.
yeah. So then, is it possible to go for more than one constructor in a single class? Is it possible?
Mm,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir, it
possible.
is possible.
Yeah. Yes, it is. Can anyone give me the example?
with multiple parameters and
with multiple
with
parameters.
using
Yes,
all
please,
the,
please.
like
Okay.
if we
Just
are using no parameter, one parameter or two parameters.
okay. What is built-in function?
मल्टीपल पैरामीटर पास करके
Multiple parameter pass करके. What is built-in function?
parameter pass करें. What is built-in function?
The functions which we don't have
which
to
are
import.
available in
The
your
function
program.
which
Just name some examples.
Like length, sir.
Uh,
Length, sir. Length.
length and sum, max,
And
min.
some.
X-Men and some.
अच्छा कौन है ये means who is this
But
guy who is
who is this
discussing along
guy?
with me? Who is this? Please name yourself.
Anupam.
The two, one boy and one girl is there. Those are now discussing with me.
Now discussing.
Rituja.
Rituja is the girl, and the
Yes,
boy, the
and
boy one.
Anupam. Anupam.
Are Anubhav. Okay. 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 Then, okay. It's 8:03. But still, we'll discuss. We'll have 2 more minutes to discuss. Okay. It's all gone for, and we'll discuss in the upcoming classes the important things to be covered in what is inheritance in detail, object-oriented programming. Okay. And when we are discussing Python, okay. Am I audible, guys? Please, sorry. There's just
Yes,
twist.
sir.
Okay, sorry.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, I have a class right now, so have to leave the session. Okay. Uh, Infotact is calling me again and again, sir, to leave the session. Okay, please don't mind. In the next class, we'll discuss. Okay. Okay, what I was saying is we'll discuss briefly to DBMS things, means from basics to some advanced level questions. I'll share my handwritten notes along with all of you. What is we'll discuss the main terms like transaction, normalization, what is linear algebra, what is natural join, intersection, conjunction, addition rules, then what is what are the functional dependencies. All this means we'll more discuss with the complex terms in means instead of this basic like the joints and all. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, from overall I'll tell you, but our main focus will be those things. Okay, what is serializability, enhanced ER modeling, what is means natural join operation, division operation, all the things we'll discuss. Okay, the advanced topic. Okay, we'll take one class for DBMS. Okay, it
Yes.
may happen in next week or the means after that week. Okay, in the meantime, just go for the project. This is your first class. I'm saying you frankly, if you can do, you have done with your groups, everyone. Groups has been
Yes.
created by all of you. You all are interacting with yourselves.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then
Sure.
start working on the
Yes, sir.
project. Okay.
How are you supposed to see his face? And that giant.
Okay. Thank you. So let's discuss